Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided that I wanted to do a fall holiday makeup look. Thanksgiving is right around the corner, and if you're like me and you like to be a little bit extra, and by a little bit extra I mean a lot extra, then this is the makeup look for you. I want to do something that was really fun, really glittery, something that could work for both Thanksgiving and also Christmas. But don't worry, I'm going to be doing more Christmas holiday looks very soon. But yeah, so if you want to see how I achieved this makeup look right here, then just keep on watching. So my face is already primed and moisturized, so we're just gonna start with the foundation, and I'm gonna use my Urban Decay All Nighter, and I'm gonna mix it with my CoverGirl True Blend foundation. I tend to do this a lot because the Urban Decay is really, really thick, and it's a little dry since it is getting closer to winter, ew. And so I feel like I like to use something a little bit more moisturizing, but I also did a spray tan and my Urban Decay doesn't match me right now. So we're looking at like something, you know, a little darker than what's on here. Hopefully this is a good match together. The True Blend is like the shade M40. So that should help darken up a little bit. I don't know if that's dark enough. That might be, we'll see. It'll oxidize a little, so it'll get better. And this is a Pract blending sponge. This is the sister company from Sigma. Just in case you were wondering what sponge this is, I really like these. They're comparable to the Real Technique sponge. Okay, now that my foundation is on, I'm going to conceal my under eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, like I always do. And I feel like since this is going to be such a glam look, we're going to be doing a little extra contouring. Blend down that sniffer there. Basically, we're going to come out looking like somebody completely different after this process. Okay, so now I'm taking some Ben Nye translucent setting powder, and I'm taking my same sponge that I've been working with, and I'm going to bake under my eyes. This is good because we're going to be doing a really glam eye makeup look, so if you get any fallout, your setting powder is going to catch it. But I also really want to kind of sculpt my face a little bit. Shrink down my nose. So that's why I'm focusing closer to my nose right now. And then we'll go ahead and just kind of pack it under. All right, I'm gonna finish my brows, and then I'm gonna come back and we'll start with the eyes. All right, so I'm going in with my Medallium 776 brush, and I'm going in with the shade Sandalwood. And I'm just starting with my crease. I primed my eyes already, but I did not set them with anything. So we're supposed to see how this goes. So I'm just blending this into the crease and up towards the brow bone, and I'm kind of taking it at a slight angle from my outer corner up to the inner part of my brow. And I'm going to take a little bit more and start kind of blending it on the outer corner. Next, I'm going in with the shade Man Eater, and I'm sticking really close to my crease. And I'm taking my Sigma, I believe this is the E25 brush. Now I'm reaching for a more condensed blending brush, and I'm taking the shade Henna. And I'm going right on the line that is between the shade Man Eater and Sandalwood, so that I can help bring them together and blend them out a bit more. And then going back to my Medallium brush with whatever's left on it, I'm just going to kind of blend out the edges. So that just happened. Alright, so now I'm going back with my E25 brush, and I think I want to just add a little bit more man-eater. Every time I hear the word man-eater, I think of Nelly Furtado. So I'm just going to pat more on just to like intensify. And I think with that same brush, I'm going to go in with the shade... I think I'll go in with Bossy. Oh gosh, please be dark enough. This palette, I haven't used in a while. If Bossy's not dark enough, okay, Bossy works. So I'm just patting that on the outer corner and into the crease. Now we're gonna do the cut crease. So like always, my Tarte Shape Tape, it's just the best for cut creases. Like there's just nothing better. So I'm gonna take the Buxom 24 karat stilettos gold color. I've never used this before. I'm literally opening it right now. But it looks like this. It's really pretty, and I wanted to do something more of like a gold cut crease, so I really hope this is kind of the color I'm thinking. Ooh, it's really pretty. First I'm just taking a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna kind of pack on that pigment because I have no idea if this is gonna work for this or not. Okay, a lot of fallout, but that is, woo, pigmented. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm taking the Urban Decay Midnight Cowboy heavy metal liner, and I want to make sure that that cut crease is really sharp like you can see on this side. So first I'm just lining the edge with it. And then I'm kind of filling the rest in. I love this glitter. And I just wanted to give that gold like a little extra something to make it pop. Then going back in with my E25 brush, I am just going to start kind of blending the outer corner into the gold, and I'm taking a shade of Bossy and Man-Eater for that, and just kind of using patting motions to help blend as good as we can with that glitter there. Now going in with my E15 brush, and I'm taking the shade Bossy, and I am lining my lower lash line with it. Try to stick kind of tightly, but like a lot of my cut crease videos, I'm gonna blend it out anyway. Then taking my E30 brush from Sigma, I'm taking this shade Henna and smoking that out a little bit. Now I'm going in with my Luminous Precision Tip Black Liquid Liner, and I'm just gonna line my waterline, nothing crazy. I just need something for my lashes to blend in with. Then taking a black MAC eyeliner in the shade Feline, which is black. I'm just doing my waterline. Off camera, I'm going to do my lashes. I'm going to use my Urban Decay Perversion Mascara, and I'm also going to use these Bold Face lashes in the style Make It Count, and it's their Muse collection. Okay, so now that my eyes are done, we're gonna go full on glam with a contour. So I'm gonna go in with the Benefit Hoola Quickie Contour Stick. I don't use this often, but if I wanna do something really glam, then I definitely go in with it. Then I go in with my blending sponge and just kind of blend that out. I try to keep it condensed into the area that I placed it. Then I take the Benefit Hoola Bronzer Powder and a Sigma F05 brush, and I just kind of place some powder over to set it, and then just kind of deepen it a little bit more. Now I want to add like a little bit of highlight, so I'm using the Laura Mercier Devotion highlighter and the Laura Mercier fan brush to apply that. This highlighter blends like right into the skin, like it just melts right into the skin. I love it. Then I'm going in with my Sigma Corda Rosa blush and just adding some color to my cheeks. So finally for this look, I am using the Charlotte Tilbury lip liner in Walk of Shame. Now I've never used this before. This is my very first time even trying this. So I hope this goes well. This looks like the perfect holiday lip color. No joke. But we're gonna test it out and see. And then I'm going to put the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in Legendary Queen. Again, this looks like a really beautiful holiday shade, so I'm excited to see how this turns out. Okay, I'm loving this color. This is really pretty, and I feel like it screams holiday. All right, you guys, so that is it for this fall themed holiday look. I really like the way that this look turned out. I really love the Charlotte Tilbury lip products right here. These might be in my holiday favorites. We will see. Really loving the color though. I feel like it's perfect. It's a great mix for like a fall holiday look and also your Christmas holiday look. So I'm really happy with the way that this turned out. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.